Remove battery. Loosen bottom door screws. Pry up bottom door and remove it. In description of this video you can find useful links to various laptop disassembly tools and parts. Place SSD card firmly into the slot and fix it with the screw.